जय सोनिहाल, बोलो जोरती। जय माता दी, जय स्वामीनारायण। Hello everyone, welcome to SIR, the Institute of English and Personal Development. A very creative and innovative activity. Yes, innovative activity means somewhat different, non-traditional, non-conventional. Yes friends, whenever we study bookish knowledge, we study traditional knowledge, but here we have something different. Debates are there. Our debate topic is rotation debate. I mean, rotation means we have so many participants. We have to understand the system first. These are the parties. Hello, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Yes, this is the debate topic. You can see the Josh. Now, second thing, they are going to speak something on the car. Yes, different cars are there. Everybody's dream is car. And second round will be there. They will encounter each other's topic. So this is called a best communication skill. So we are going to invite on our first contestant. Forum Ji, please come here. Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
So what's your car name?
Rolls Royce.
Oh my God, Rolls Royce, one of the leading company in the world. So say something about Rolls Royce.
Yes, sir. Rolls Royce Car Limited makes world's most expensive and luxurious car. It was founded in 1904, and founder were Henry Ross and Charles Rolls. So basically, company name is based on their surnames, Rolls Royce, and they has built reputing manufacture and development of defense and civil craft. As we all know that they did very good job in World War. And why Rolls Royce cars are expensive? Because the factor which is main makes Rolls Royce expensive, that they can paint your car according to you. Means they paint their car according to their customers' needs. So there are 44,000 colors in Rolls Royce, and basically Rolls Royce Ghost Series 2, which is launched in 2019, and second generation is 2020. So they single car has 17 colors, and you don't need to open the door of Rolls Royce Ghost, because there is a feature that you can just push the handle of the door and door will automatically open. And also you don't need to close, because there is a switch. When you press that button, the door will close automatically. And in back sides there are two screens attached with the front seat, which provides you a wooden desk with LED screen, so which you can enjoy your ride or your journey. And between the two seats where you can put your glass, it also has a refrigerator system where you can put your glass and bottles, your drink. And they provide Rolls Royce glass, which you can show your luxury. And it also has leg space is way more than ordinary cars. And the details which are in headlights and tail lights are too much. We can see that it shows the luxury of the car when you start light or off. And the roof is starlight roof. You can at night you can totally enjoy your ride. And there is an umbrella if you are in hurry and there will be rain, so you don't need to panic. There is umbrella attached in a door, which when you just press the button, umbrella will automatically out. An umbrella which is provided by Rolls Royce. So these are the main features, and I want to say that you can style your luxury in your way, which Rolls Royce are doing for their customers. And the most expensive car of Rolls Royce is Rolls Royce Boot Tail, which is $28 million, and if we say Indian rupees, it is 2.2 crores. So it's a most luxurious.
Very nice information. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. Wow. Friends, welcome to Instagram live event. We are discussing about different cars. So first car was Rolls Royce. Wow. She has given a wonderful information regarding this car. I am so excited to listen this thing. So many features are there. So next, I would like to invite Trisha ji. Please come here. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Please say something about your car.
So my car is Renault Kiger. Renault is a French company, and the French government has a 15% stake in Renault. Initially in the past, Renault used to manufacture trucks, aircraft engines, sports cars as well. And it was Renault company was the first one to introduce turbo engine in the Formula One races. The car I've chosen is Renault Kiger, and it is a compact SUV. So it's very useful in the city as well as highway traveling. It starts from 5 lakh 60,000 rupees to 10 lakh rupees. It has so many ranges. So it has many colors: blue, red, mahogany brown, and
Okay, so why people have passion for cars? Can you tell me something about this thing? Why people like, they have always passion for these cars?
because many people like driving and they find it therapeutic, so they enjoy driving.
And I think sometimes car shows our status. So do you think it is right?
Yeah, sometimes cars show status, but the main purpose is traveling. So it depends.
But rich people can show their richness with this.
Yeah. So when you buy expensive cars, obviously it will show your status. But if the purpose is traveling, then why spend money on?
Okay, wow, very nice info. Thank you very much. So, friend, here second opinion was there that only traveling is there. Then why should we spend a lot of money? We want to listen your reviews. Yes, on Instagram Live there are so many people who are joining us. Please tell your reviews that why people buy expensive car and why people buy just reasonable and affordable prices. Yes. Now next, Mr. Dhaval, please come here. Welcome. Good morning.
Thank you.
So, what's your car name?
Sir, my car name is Tata Nexon EV.
Tata. Okay.
Yes.
EV. I
Yes,
mean
sir.
electric.
Yes, sir, it is electric.
Wow. Please.
Sir, and you will be very glad to know that it's the first Indian-made SUV to score a complete 5-star rating. So, safety is it on par. So, first we will talk about Tata. Why Tata? So, Tata is known for its excellence and its customer-centric service. Customer is always the king. You will be treated as a king. So your safety and your luxury will be the main priority, which is we need, right? So and the same, Jamshedji Ratan Tata created the motives of Tata in 1945. The same principles are running down till now. So we have a glorious 75 years of heritage. Even we know Ratan Tata, how much he does for the country. And Tata company stands for vocal for local, for made in India. And even recently, in 2009, Ratan Tata acquired Jaguar Land Rover ownership. So the cars which are made in Tata have a platform of Land Rover. So 70 lakh rupees car does have an architecture, and the same architecture will be used in Tata cars.
Oh.
The car I am going to talk about is Nexon EV, which is having Omega Arc platform, which is agile light flexibility architecture, which is derived from the D8 platform of Jaguar Land Rover Discovery. So right, so the 70 lakh rupees car, the chassis which is used in, the same chassis will be used in Nexon EV. And again, it will be light, it will be electric. It has a 312 km of range on a single charge. And sir, it has a 0 to 80% charge time of just 60 minutes.
60 minutes only?
Yes, sir. So it's a very practical car. And we know that, sir, electric using a conventional engine versus an electric engine will give you a difference of 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees on a year fuel cost.
Exactly.
So you are saving a lot of money and you can use it in a better way. So sir, there are many smart features in an SUV, just like an ordinary SUV, which is smart regenerative braking, which is there in electronic vehicles, and hill ascent control, hill descent control. We have pre-tensioner seat belts. Seat belts have a different quality, so this is one of the most safety rated seat belts. There are 2 airbags, so safety is never compromised. We are having a leather upholstery. There is a 7-inch dashboard unit and multi steering controls. You can cool your car from your cell phone.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
So you can there is anti-theft. You can track your car where your car is going. So when your car is stolen, you will be able to know its location. So it is very helpful, sir. and there are many features which can be controlled the car from the mobile application. So it is very unique kind of features.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Wow, wonderful. I really appreciate your details. It's superb, and everybody must buy this car because electric car is there. So fuel consumption is getting very expensive day by day, and fuel price is rocketing.
Yes.
So in this time, it is Tata is the best, and Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Friends, it was a wonderful presentation from Dhaval. Yes, and next I would like to invite Mr. Somil Dudagra. So, what's your car name?
So today I'm going to discuss about my favorite car, that is Audi.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Saurashtra, people tell it CR Bangdi Vari Gadi.
Yes, but
Rich people tell it Audi.
Audi.
And sometimes some people say Audi, and some in some countries I will listen Audi.
Yes, there's different
Different pronunciations are there.
pronunciation, yeah.
Please.
So first of all, I would like to ask you, sir, that what is more important in the car? What is the main thing that we are looking for?
Okay, first of all, good look, luxury, and fuel consumption. These are three priorities.
Okay. So if you are getting that three priorities in one car, then would you buy that? And if it is affordable?
And status also.
Status also, right? All the things you can get in Audi, right? For example, first thing we are looking about, talking about look, right? Then I think so that's amazing look, sporty look as well as luxury look in that, right? There are different cars of Audi that are A4, A6, Q3, Q5, Q7, Q8, right? That are the most selling products, and nowadays they have launched one new variant of A4, that is 2021 model, and that is going viral, and it is the most sold car, right?
Sold car. We can
Sold car right now, and it is the most successful car of Audi. So I will be talking about A4, right? So I am also having A4 right now,
Very
and
nice.
what the thing I like the most is that the looks, right? The headlights, the rear lights, all that are just superb, right? They are giving this sporty line at the door, right? So it gives you a sporty look, right? The second thing is that fuel consumption, as you were talking about, right? So I am driving my car and I am getting 18 kilometer per hour of fuel consumption,
Okay.
right? And it is not on highways, right? For example, I
It
am
is on
going.
city area.
It is not city also, it is not highway also, right? For example, we are going in a one path road, then also you can get 18 kilometer per hour of fuel consumption. And the second thing, they have recently launched one app, right? My Audi app. In that, if you are registering your you have to give that code of your car in that app, and if you are giving, then they will fully customize your car. For example, you want to go Ahmedabad from here, right? Then they will calculate all the different things, and they will tell that what will be the mileage of the car, what will be, how after how much time you will reach, what will be the maintenance after going over there, right? For example, rear wheels are there, then they will calculate the air pressure in that, and then they will tell that you have to fill the air pressure while going in Ahmedabad at this place. Right,
Wow.
and after this place at this kilometer, your fuel consumption will be over.
Okay.
So that is the thing that they are giving more information about that, and there is customization in that. Their leather seats are there, and you can tell the Audi company that I want this type of seats, and they will customize their seats. And the second thing is that is the only first car in Audi that is giving full navigation cockpit, right? So it is a very luxury look and very comfortable, right? And it has been proven that after most of the cars, right, you compare luxury cars, then the most comfortable is Audi, right? There are other cars also, Mercedes, BMW, but as per the comfort level, I think so that Audi is the best.
So, do you think there is a riding pleasure? Do you enjoy your riding, your driving car? Sometimes driving pleasure is there.
Yes, I obviously enjoy the driving pleasure because of the comfort zone, right? You don't have to do anything, right? There is also a pedal shift option in that. So if I want to just do in the sporty mode and I want to drive fast, then I can do the pedal shift.
And auto parking?
Auto parking system is also there in F4, new F4, right? They are giving the digital keys right? In A6 also, new version I am talking about. I am not talking about the.
Okay.
So in that they are giving the keys, right, through which you can auto park your car also.
Wonderful. And what
So-
may be the price?
Price is $40,000 for 28 lakhs, right? Each and every individual.
It is affordable.
It is affordable. It is not like the other cars like you have to spend 1 crore rupees, right? You can get that facilities in 20 lakhs.
Very, very good.
And nowadays they are also working on EV, right?
Okay.
Lithium-ion battery cars, and they are going to launch in 2022. That is Q3 new model of EV, right? And the most important thing is that they are using lithium-ion battery right now,
Okay.
right? For example, your back braking system is there. They are using the lithium-ion battery over there in the new ADF means ODF4, right? So whenever you are driving and taking up your lever, right, the automatically lithium-ion battery will run the vehicle, and that will give good mileage.
So I think this is the best car on road nowadays.
Yes.
So your experience is wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So friends, Somil detailed it very nicely. I'm so excited to tell you one thing. These are the cars which are on the road and people like it very much. So here Mr. Harsh is there. Hi Harsh.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. Good morning. So what's your car name?
Sir.
Stand like this, because in body language this works a lot, right? In the school we are taught like this. So we are very serious about it. Here our heart chakra is there. So we want to stand like that. That's good. Is that clear? Ready? Let's start.
Sir, my company is Maruti Suzuki, and I have targeted on Ciaz. Owner of the company is Ravindra Chandra, and its revenue is 61.7%. And let's talk about Ciaz. Why should we buy this car? Good mileage. It's good mileage, and this car is only for the middle class people. By this, they think for this car, they think for good mileage, and it gives the sporty look. Like they have the elegant colors. Like if you want to go for sporty look, then the car is of black color and blue color, and you want to go for professional use, then is the for white color too. And in particular Ciaz, they are giving the feature of SHVS, that is smart hybrid vehicle by Suzuki. By this, if you are in traffic and you have to, if you want to stop the car in the traffic, then they will give the good battery backup. So this gives the good mileage and good battery backup too. So Ciaz gives the good experience in the highways, and they are giving the more features too.
And what do you think about maintenance cost in Maruti?
Sir, maintenance cost is good, and service sectors is also good, and this cost is rupees 8 lakh. So middle class people will buy this,
can
and
buy
the Ciaz is also come in the luxury cars.
Okay.
Yeah. So
It
they
is
are
affordable for
yeah,
everybody.
yeah.
Maintenance and car both.
Yeah, sir.
So-
And they gives the good facilities inside. Interior is good, and all the facilities is also good.
Whenever we buy affordable car, we can change it frequently.
But sir, Ciaz will not will give you satisfaction too.
10 to 15 years we can
Yeah,
use it.
yeah, you can
Satisfied.
use it, yeah.
Wow. Nice experience. So this was a very new experience for you. So do you think now you are getting camera fear or something
Yeah,
like that?
sir.
Little bit?
I'm.
Getting? So little by it will be removed.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So that was Ciaz. Maruti. I tell you one thing. Maruti is always a car of Indian people. Fronti. It was the first car which is highest selling in the world. So Fronti, step by step they had gone to this Ciaz, but nowadays they are also doing very good. So these companies are working hard for that. So I am here would like to invite Mr. Akshat Patadia. He's a very nice guy. And what's your car name?
My car name is Tesla Model 3.
Oh my God, Tesla. Okay, so let's go in Tesla. Let's ride. Let's drive.
So the Tesla Model 3 is established in 2017, and the features is
Features are
yes, the features are it is opened by a card,
okay.
and there is a mobile app. So from that we can open that car door, and there is autopilot mode. In that autopilot mode, people can relax anytime, and the car will run automatically. There is an 40x camera which can be see the road path, and
So it is driverless car.
Yes.
No driver required.
No driver required in that car.
Oh my God! And what can be the price? In
Price
US?
is 28 lakh.
Okay, in India it is 28 lakhs. Okay. So do you think we should buy it?
Yes.
Is it possible
sure.
in India electrical or it is
It is an
petrol or
electrical
diesel?
car.
Okay. It is electrical EV.
Yes.
Done.
Then
Well done. Well done. Tesla is there. Friends, in one car company I had gone there and I saw one slogan. I would like to share one slogan. Customer is the king. Recently told. Customer is the king. And one more sentence. And king never bargain. कस्टमर राजा होता है और वो कभी बार्गेनिंग करता. तो जो लोग बिजनेस कर रहे हैं उनके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आप अपनी दुकान में ये लिख दो कि कस्टमर इज द किंग और किंग नेवर बार्गेन, और किंग कभी बार्गेनिंग नहीं करता है. तो दुकान में लिख लो आप, ये स्लोगन अच्छा है. और सबसे अच्छी बात मैं आपको बताऊं, it's very necessary to write some slogans in your company. Slogans work a lot. There are so many slogans in different companies. Taglines are there. So here on our Instagram friends, we would like to ask you, send your car name with tagline. Yes, every car has a tagline. So we would like to listen from you. We would like to see from you. Yes, that's new. I would like to invite Mr. Chetan Khut. Wow, Chetan is there with us. Okay. So what's your car name?
Mercedes, especially
Oh my God.
Maybach.
Maybach.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, so I will start with the Mercedes history. So Mercedes is a German company, and it was merged in 1926 and launched its first vehicle in the 1926 also. So the Mercedes was the best-selling luxury car company in the 2018, and in 2020 it sold over 2 million cars. 2 million luxury cars. So Mercedes basically manufacture luxury cars and corporate vehicles. So Mercedes is known for their luxurious experience and it's a driving experience also. So in the particular, I will speak about the Maybach. That the car is particularly made for the professional or the professional peoples. Like they give you the best experience in the passenger seat. They give you the best experience in the driver, like driving also, and it has the best safety system for the car also. And the Maybach starting price is approximately 2 crores in India, but like I think that it can be the motivation for some people who are like struggling in their lives. So it is not affordable for everyone, but it can be the motivation for the others. So the slogan for the Mercedes is like best or nothing. Like you have to buy best or you should like survive.
Or nothing.
Yes,
Right.
yes. And so the Mercedes gave the like all features as you can they have their app. You can control your car from the mobile. You have the parking sensor as well. You have the camera system, and you have the like fridge in Mercedes also. So Mercedes provide these all the things in their cars. Yes.
So all companies are giving some refrigerator and these all the things. So do you think that drink and drive is advisable? What is your opinion?
Sir, consider yourself as a big
Okay.
businessman.
Okay.
So you will sit on the back side of the car.
Okay, definitely.
So
There will be driver.
Yes, there will be driver.
So you can drink.
Yes.
Very nice. Logic is super. The person who is having Mercedes,
Yes.
he will not drive. That is final,
Yes, that is fine.
right? So he can drink.
Yes.
And business meetings are there.
Yes, they can do their work in the Mercedes also.
Wow.
They will provide the comfort, and like you will not feel that you are going by road or anything. They will provide you very comfortness.
Okay. So your quick answer, your logic is very good. I like your logic.
Thank you, sir.
See, this is the thing. Whenever you go for interview, they will track you like this. They will encounter you, and encountering is very necessary.
Yes.
So I tried to encounter, but you got success. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Friends, you see, I tried to encounter him, but he got success. This is the thing you have to understand. Listen to people and be ready for the quick answer. આપણે તમને ખ્યાલ હશે કે આપણા ભારતમાં બિરબલનું નામ બહુ ફેમસ છે. બિરબલને શું કહેવાતું? ચતુર બિરબલ. બિરબલની બુદ્ધિ એવી પાવરફુલ હતી. હી યુઝ ટુ આન્સર સચ એ વે, ક્વિક આન્સર. તો એવા લોકોને ઇંગ્લિશમાં કહેવાય છે ક્વિક વિટેડ. યુ આર ગોઈંગ ફોર બિઝનેસ એનીવેર, ઇન્ટરવ્યુ એનીવેર, the people will be talking to you in a different way. You should be very attractive in answers, right? Here, one more participant, Mr. Shivang is there. Please stand here, right? So Shivang, what's your car name?
It's a Ford. Actually.
Ford?
Yeah,
Okay.
and especially GT14 and Mustang. Okay. So first of all, Ford is founded by Henry Ford in 1903, and it's actually provide every type of vehicles. Like if you are belong from middle class, then you you are also take a commercial vehicle. If you want any luxury car, then you also give a SUV, means sports utility vehicles, and as well as they also provide tank armored also, because this is the main reason Ford is very honorable, with revenue of 2020 147.33 billion USD, and their total asset is 267.33. So it's actually show the global market of Ford, and it's also available in globally, which you are belongs from, which any type of country.
Wherever you go, you
yes,
can get
you
it.
can get it. Okay, and now let's talk about contemporary world. We also suffering from we actually spoil our environment. Okay, so they also provide hybrid electric car, which actually use partially fossil oil and electric. So whenever it's you are shortage from shortage of fossil fuel like petrol, then you will use electric batteries, and the main thing, it also provide in-plug system. So whenever you brake, so it create generator shock. Okay, so it also convert this thing as electric. So it also use for 10 kilometer extra whenever you are out of petrol.
Okay.
So it's a very great thing. Also they use Argo AI system.
Okay.
So this provide great navigation and flexibility also. However, now talk about teenagers favorite car, like they like sports car. Okay, so GT40, if anyone watch any Ford versus Ferrari movie, then GT40 is actually world champion for continued 3 years.
Okay.
With high, and also gain world record of highest car with 237.45 miles per hour. And last thing, if you if you are capable for 10 lakhs car, then you get also. If you are also capable for 5 crore or more than 5 crore car, you also get. And the last thing, if anytime anything like you want any bullet car or armored vehicle, so they also provide this type of vehicle also.
Means customized cars are also available.
Yes,
you
yes.
can use in your political way or whatever you like to
Yes,
do.
yes.
Safety modes are
Yes,
there.
yes. So this is the main thing, and at last, Ford are also very famous for their reputation. Okay, they believe in reputation and customer satisfaction. That's why they gain 5 out of almost 5 star in customer satisfaction, because they believe that we actually want customer satisfaction. After the budget is actually we want. That's why they also increase budget. They also spend 63.5 million USD per year for only for customer service. So that's the main reason we actually honor towards Ford.
I would like to share one experience regarding Sir Institute. In Chennai, there was an event about Ford car, and there was a presentation related to it, because automobile companies are there. They want automobile engineers.
Yeah.
So 2 students from Sir Institute, they completed automobile from Bhavnagar University, and they had gone to Chennai for presentation. And you will be surprised to know they both became winner in that presentation of Ford. Why? You know, because we are used to here. We do it every day. So that is, I'm telling you, the power of activity, the power of patience, the power of communication skill.
And they also believe in environment.
Exactly. They save
Save
environment.
environment by using electric. Yeah.
Well done. Take care.
Thank you.
So friend, that was the first round. That was a wonderful. Everybody did very good job. I'm so happy to tell you one thing. I'm so much impressed. Friends, this is really miracle. Everybody is doing their best. So all the cars really amazing, from 8 lakh to a very big range is there, and everybody performed their best. So now it is our second round. Now we would like to invite for encounter round. I mean to say, you have to encounter his opponent. That is called debate, encounter debate, 1-to-1 debate. This rotation debate, that beauty is there. I would like to invite Mr. Dhaval. Please come here. And Mr. Somil, you also come here. Mr. Come back, little bit back. Sorry to disturb you. Is that okay? Well done. So friend, this is second round if you like this car. But now one more question is that in Mercedes there was a tagline. Best or nothing. Life માં કરવું તો બેસ્ટ કરવું નકર કાંઈ ન કરવું અને બેસ્ટ વસ્તુની વેલ્યુ છે દુનિયામાં. બેસ્ટ છે તો મર્સિડીઝ છે. Right? So you are also the best and you are also the best. But you have to prove yourself. Right? So first step by step in briefly we have to go for encounter. So your point, you have to encounter this person and he will reply it. So this is not scripted, right? We are not scripted, friends. He will ask him the question regarding his car. Audi versus
Nexon EV.
Yeah, Nexon EV. Start.
Sir, so first of all, I would like to start by the engine, the drivetrain. So we are having an electric vehicle, so that will decrease the cost of the fuel by a very large gap. 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees price difference will be there in 1 year, and we are having 129 horsepower and 245 newton meter of torque. As compared to any petrol engine, sir, the best part of petrol engine is that you get more horsepower. The best part of a diesel engine is that you will getting more torque that is required in any kind of SUV. Here we are having 129 horsepower and 245 newton meter of torque. So best of both worlds. There is the horsepower of a petrol engine and there is we can say torque of a diesel engine. So it is an complete SUV.
But you have to compare that thing. If you are, see, I am a customer right now.
Yes.
And I would like to buy something.
Yes.
So you have to prove that why Audi or why Nexon, right?
Yes, sir. Compared to A4, what we are having a huge the biggest advantage we are having is of electric. You will be saving a huge money.
Okay.
I'll start by that.
Encounter this person.
Yes, so nowadays Audi is also working on it, and they have already launched many electric cars, not in India but in outside India, and they are recently going to launch in 2022. Because in India nowadays there are no electric fuel stations, right? So they are not prepared for that, right? And if we are talking about horsepower, right, then Audi A4, new Audi A4 is having 240 horsepower of engine, right? And if you don't want to buy that and you want to buy cheaper one, then also you can get Audi A4 old version of 219, and in that also there is 190 horsepower of engine. So it is better, right? You can drive fast and you can reach anywhere easily.
Okay, but as a customer, I am asking about today's availability. On this 15th of August, I would like to buy a car. So what will be your choice?
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to prefer the new Audi 2021, right? It will give 240 horsepower of engine, and also there is lithium-ion battery, as we are talking about in the rear, in the back one, brakes, right? So they will give more mileage over there, and they have only put this one in this new car only, right? Because they were going to do lithium-ion battery in full, but nowadays there are no stations, so they have done in the brake.
This is the issue. See, sometimes you can see on CNG stations there is a big queue. You have to wait for 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes this happens. So is it applicable that you are standing in a queue and you are trying to save your fuel, but you are wasting your money over there?
Yes, so one more thing, right? As we were talking about Nexon, then there is only capacity of I think so 300 kilometers, right? After that
312.
312 kilometers. After that you have to charge your car, right? For example, you want to buy a car and you want to go Surat right now, then how will you reach over there, right? So if you want to buy right now, then please buy Audi A4 new version, right? Through which you can go easily by
means there is no limitations.
There is no limitations. And,
answer this question.
Yeah.
Sir, but the Audi is a German company. All your money will be going to a German company, German government. So there is a huge. You are getting a costlier feature. The features are pretty much cheaper, and you are getting it in an expensive price because it is an imported car. Okay. It is an foreign car, German car, and again you will be saving the cost. And 312 kilometers, sir, it is the one of the best range. It is 30.2 kilowatt hour battery. So even we have to consider factors like a person cannot drive for such a long distance at a
single. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Right.
So,
So
this
he
had
can take
this
the
had
rest
to be seen.
and 60 minutes there will be charging, so he will have some refreshments. So both things can be done.
So, but where you will charge if there are no stations?
Then it is a problem.
Sir, one more problem. I would like to address a problem which will be more affected by. It is Audi A4 is a lower car. It has a 165 mm of ground clearance. Here in Tata Nexon EV, we are having a ground clearance of 205 mm. So that is, one of the best ground clearances as you are getting an SUV. So when you are driving an A4, you will hit many speed breakers. Even the turning radius is huge, so you cannot have close cuts. The turning radius of Tata Nexon EV is 5.1 meter, so you can take it from any parking outside, and you can have any close compact roads would not affect your driving.
So I would like to encounter his point, right? He told that there is low ground, right? Ground one. Ground clearance, right? But I would like to clarify that in 2021 model, they are already know that thing, and they have adopted a new technology in the car.
Okay.
For example, you are going in a speed breaker, right? And there is a speed breaker, then automatically the car will, lift. Yeah,
lift
they will lift, and that same thing is in 2020 model also, right? So I am not getting any issue with the speed breakers because the car is, I think so, ground level. But whenever you are going in a speed breaker, then the car automatically lifts. Right? There is a new technology. So
because they want to sell in India. So as per Indian roads and speed breakers and customers, they will adopt.
Yeah, they have adopted that technology.
Maybe sometime in past it is a problem, but now I think they have solved this problem. But turning, what about turning? It's also
turning also. They have recently done an experiment was done between Audi, Mercedes, and BMW, and they have told that the most flexible while driving, right? It is the Audi, and they have also done that turning points experiment also, and it is the video in the YouTube and all you can see over there. And one more thing, he was talking about that we are buying Audi, and the it is a German company, so German government is getting benefit. But guys, each and every individual are using the products of different countries. Nowadays, no one is using the product of India, right? For example, you are wearing the clothes, then most of the clothes are made from outside the India, so we can't take judgment over that.
But
right?
one thing is that India means what? India. There is India. I is there. Starting from I.
Yes.
I cannot blame others. I start from I. I should think about India. I should care about India. And Tata is an Indian company. So I will start. Then definitely other will start. So, but these are the controversy topic that we will be having this debate also. Okay, should we buy Indian things or foreign things? This is one debate is there. So there is nice debate. So that's all for you. Want to say something more? Oh my God, very nice content.
Sir, we are having a huge population, and most of the population is not having that kind of budget of 40 or 45 lakhs. Even the car costs rupees 40 lakhs, but you getting it on road, it will cost you more money. So it is not for the masses.
Okay.
And other than that, you will have to have more money for petrol, service charge. The petrol is very costly. There is 2-liter engine which is where we are giving about 200 horsepower, right? So it is very nice power, but at the cost of that much of petrol. And we are getting similar kind of performance that Nexon EV goes in 0 to 100 in 9.9 seconds, which is one of the best performances in class. And the cost is just 70 lakhs. And again, as I told, the quality is of Land Rover Discovery, which is a 70 lakh rupees car. The platform is derived from that. The safety is there. I mean, it is for the masses.
So in an affordable price, they are giving good facility. You want to say like that? Yes.
In affordable price, they are giving good facilities, but there are also many cars of Audi, right? They are cheap. You can buy that one also. I am not specifically talking about A4.
This
that
model,
is costly, right? There are many cars also, and in F4, one more thing. There are many things, right? They are missing in Nexon. For example, bulletproof is there, right? So they have already tested that, and bulletproof car is there, so you can't hit the bullet, and airbags are there, right? And many different things are there, which is not available in them. And one of the most important I like the most is that comfort zone, right? The comfort zone you will experience in Audi is not available in Nexon.
So really, he's having very good encounter on this point, really, and you are having very good content. Want to say something?
Yes,
please,
sir.
please.
Sir, we are having similar kind of luxury in Nexon EV. Most of the essential features are there. You can control it from a car. And again, sir, it is more premium experience. The platform is derived. We are having Jaguar and Land Rover. Ratan Tata is owning. So all the research and development of both the teams are working together to create a platform. And the steel used, we can say he's talking about bulletproof, but sir, I don't think that the bulletproof facility will be there in Audi A4 Plus, because certain even cars more than like a crore,
1 CR, huh?
they have to be bulletproof externally. Then after buying, so that is we cannot expect in a 40 lakh rupees car. And the steel we are using is steel reinforced, which is made by Tata Steel. So there is no compromise of quality. We are having a monopoly. The steel is ours, the cars are ours. So it is
125 years old Tata Steel. So
Yes, sir.
definitely they are having very good material over there. Steel is also strong, built strong.
Yes.
So safety features you want to say like that.
Safety features, and all around the car is in such a protected way. There are pillars used in the gates, in the doors, right? So when a car will crash your Nexon EV, you will be safe. It is made in such a way that you will survive most of the crashes. It is a 5-star rated car, which most of the cars in the segment do not offer.
But lastly, right, I will buy that car, but only one point is thinking in my head
missing. Okay.
that you can't buy the car if the car only lasts for 312 kilometers, right? That is the one thing.
This is the one negative feature.
One of the most means negative features. Otherwise the car is good at that price, right? But how, sir, if I want to travel to Surat, then how can I travel through that car?
But now last question is there. What about status? Do you think that there is a status symbol? Car is a status symbol.
Car is
So
status.
what do you think about Audi and Nexon?
Obviously, Audi will means it is more luxury and it is a high level car, so the status will be good over there.
Do you think status will be there?
Sir, status will be there. Tata is a very branded company and it has emerged in these years. And sir, if you have a 40 lakh rupees budget, you can definitely go for other cars. But here we are getting vocal for local. And even sir, when we are buying an Audi, after just 5 years, the price is decreased to 50% of the price that you are not getting. So if you have a very money which is futile, which is not hard earned, then you can go for an Audi A4 definitely.
So show off is there. People buy for. Do you think only for show off? Not like that.
They buy for comfort zone.
Buy for comfort also. So that was a very good encounter from both. Were having AK-47. Superb. Let's clap for them. Well done. Let's clap for them, everybody. This was one of the most effective debate activity encountered by Dhaval and Samil. How I can say, I don't have words. It's outstanding, fantastic, superb. Even it is unbelievable that you are doing this activity. So friend, that was an end of this session, and keep sending your comments regarding this rotation debate. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.